Hello friends to my Photoshop tutorial. In this lesson I will be showing you how to change the color of clothing in your images. So let's begin. For this lesson I will be changing the color of the sweater only and adding a shadow effect as well. Starting with the magic wand tool, go to the top toolbar and click select subject to select as much as the person in the image as possible. Now select the lasso tool. While holding Alt deselect the areas not needed. The selection does not have to be perfect at this point, we'll clean the edges up later. Now that we have our selection made, at the bottom of the layer panel select the adjustment layer option, which will open up a small dialog box. Here you will select solid color. For this lesson I will choose pink, but any color will do. After you click OK, change the blend mode from normal to color. Now, you can zoom in and clean up the edges. Switch to the paintbrush and paint on the mask of the color fill layer using white to reveal or black to hide. Adjust your brush to a smaller size and semi-soft edge and paint. Note, you can use X on the keyboard to flip from black to white on the color panel. To remove the flowers from the mask, select the magic wand and make sure you are on the main photo layer. Also make sure that contiguous is not checked and the tolerance is 100. Now click on one of the flowers and Photoshop will select the rest of the flowers for you. Now click on the color fill layer and make sure the mask is selected. Use the paintbrush to paint black over the selected flowers. At this point you can now double-click on the color fill layer and change the color of the sweater to any color you like. To add another adjustment layer with the same layer mask, hold Alt and click on the mask of the color fill layer to make a selection around the sweater. At the bottom of the layer panel select the adjustment layer option and then gradient. Change the blend mode to multiply to add shadow effect. Please let me know in the comments section if this lesson was helpful and also what Photoshop lesson you would like to see next. Until next time, make sure you smash that like button, and if you are new to the channel and haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss out on future Photoshop lessons. Thanks for watching. I hope today's lesson was useful and I look forward to seeing you again on the next tutorial.